What's up, YouTube? We're out here doing the final touches on the setup. I'll try to go over it. It's kind of hard to see. So here's the finale, 30 mourners. And then here's my backfiring system. And that goes to the finale, which is on this trailer. Sorry, it's hard to get a video.
Okay, we're good whenever you are.
Alright. And then right here we got Wake the Dead. Huh? Hold on. Wait, that'll be the last one. I gotta get a video. And then here's our Saturn missiles. That'll be right before the finale. Here's this. XXX rated. That's gonna go off. So that's all. You gonna get video, Tyler? Here's Atom Splitter. Probably go back by the crowd, maybe. Okay, and then here's the other XXX rated. Those go after Atom Splitter. And then here's the front firing system. Did you turn on my remote?
Nope.
Hold on, wait. Don't turn it on yet. How come I have an extra one of these? Oh.
I'll turn on the remote.
Here's a fountain. This will be about the third hit right here. And then there's the 4 fountains and 2 little bowls. And then those Desert at Night. We have one right here and then one way over there that you guys can't really see. Is the remote on? Alright, we're going to test the firing system right now. No, it doesn't. Just flip the switch.
I did.
Oh.
I want to make sure it's the right way.
Yeah, that's on. Okay. So we should have number 3. 3 should be not lit up. Okay. So that one's all good. Let me clip this down. Alright. Some of those had angle, so sorry if it's windy. All those are good, continuity wise. All right, so we're all ready to go. All right, I'm gonna turn on my GoPro. Hold on, give it a minute. You ready, Tyler? Hold on. So Dad, here. No, I'll shoot it.
Okay.
But
Why don't I shoot it and you can film?
no, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna film with one hand. So you're gonna do I'll just put this here.
What?
So I'll tell you when it's Atom Splitter,
I'm out here
and then you're
filming.
gonna do 10 of those mortars.
Shut up! That's not my job! Okay, let's go. Just say when. I'll be over there. Just give me an auction. You want me
Can
to do
you-
all of them?
can you
back
see?
and forth?
No, just 10.
Oh, okay.
Just 10, one side.
Okay.
If you keep count, you can go back and forth.
Okay, let's go.
But other than that, hold on, I gotta get, where's my pen at?
alright, just go. We'll go through it.
Come on, dude. Not in that much of a hurry. It's windy too.
Yeah, that's
We want the wind to calm down.
Where's that other lens that you had?
It's in my truck. I don't have time to set it up.
I was just curious.
Oh, it's in
that
here.
bad boy. I didn't know if you had it on or not.
Oh, this battery's dying.